Alright guys, what's going on? This is our 2020 Plates and Patches hobby break. So we do have 3 teams for sale. We have New Orleans for 8, Giants and the Jets for 8, or we could do all for 20. Here's our sealed box of Plates and Patches. Neil, we are behind. After this, I have Inception, which is like another 5 cards, and then I have a jersey, and then right after that, Select. All right, here's our sealed box. No problem. Alright, here is our box, our pack of Plates and Patches. I'm going to get started. Good luck to everybody. Alright, so starting off with a Anthony McFarland. Ooh, got a Justin Herbert 8/60. Got a Tom Brady Chronicles yellow plate 1/1. Oh, that's a nice one. Next is going to be whoa. It's going to be an A.J. Dillon. And that was going to be 70/99. A jersey patch auto. That one's going out to Green Bay. That one is going to Jonathan K. And right behind that, we have a double auto. Our next auto is going to be a Justin Herbert jersey patch auto. That one's going to be 80/99. Oh, wow. Wow. Alright, so starting with the recap, we got a Justin Herbert jersey patch auto /99. We got a A.J. Dillon jersey patch auto. This is the first time that I've ever gotten 2 autos in a box. It's usually 1. Got a A.J. Dillon 70/99 jersey patch auto. Got a Tom Brady yellow plate Chronicles 1/1. Got a Justin Herbert 18/60. And then a Anthony McFarland Jr. 25/99. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this break. We will be back shortly with Inception. We'll be back in like 3-4 minutes. Anyone that's not tuning into that next break, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.